These are the tools required for the pump replacement. We have the brand new pump here, a hammer and some form of grips. So we're just doing a quick tutorial now on how to change the pump on your spray machine here. So here we've got a 495 to do the demo on. I'm just going to talk you through a few of the parts that you will need to look at first before you replace. We need to take off the suction tube, which is here, a coupled hose which is at the back of the pump here, and also the Graco G which conceals the rod. So now we'll take a closer look at that. So this is the pump and this is how we will take it off. So first things first, we will take off our suction tube right here, which is what we need these grips for. So I'll take them on there and loosen. Then just remove the suction tube. Second, we've got a black coupled hose at the back here, which is only on hand tight, which we will loosen by hand. And third, we need to release our guard here, which we need to get off with a hammer. So we'll smack this little bit here a couple of times. Then loosen the nut all the way around, lifting that, and then the pump should come out freely. Like so. And here we have our new pump, which we will remove from the packaging, leaving us with our nice new pump here. And what we see here is where you need to slot in your rod, and you see it shaped like a T that will simply slot in like so. Now with our new pump in place, we need to reconnect everything we've already taken off. So first off, we've got the coupled hose at the back, which you reinsert to the pump and turn on the coupled hose fitting there until it's hand tight. Next, we're going to close the Graco G here, and I'm going to tighten this lug nut all the way back up. And we'll give it a few fair taps with the hammer to lock it off. And second, or third, reconnect our suction tube here, and again just nip that one up with your grips. All done.